what is method hiding? So if your child class having a static method with the same method name and a signature with defined as a static, and that is present into a parent class as well, it means that child class is hiding the proper method of the parent class, because when we are applying the static keyword with any method, it means that it will be called by its class name. It is not an instance method. You are creating the object and then after you are calling to that method. So major difference between the method hiding and a method overriding is that method hiding is applicable with the class, okay, class methods, and method overriding is which is applicable with the instance method. Hope it will be clear. I will give you one example that will be really help you to understand about this concept. So let's move to our practical session. Thank you. So now we will look on the practical sessions for the method hiding. So what exactly we are going to do? We are creating a one parent class. This is the class which I have created. And for the method hiding, what I'm doing that I am creating a one method as a display, and let me read this out. Okay, I am displaying message from parent class. Okay, now let me create another class. Let me extend the parent test method hiding, and whatever the method which we have defined, so that I define over here. So here you can see that the name of the method, return type, or the number of the arguments are same as a parent class. So this concept we can say as a method overloading, which we already covered into the our previous session. Now what I'm doing over here, I am defining this method as a static. So whenever any method is defined as a static, it means that it's a class method. Means via the class name you are accessing that method. And in the child, similarly, I am defining as a static display. So this is allowed into the Java to define the display method with the static context into the child as well. But this child class is hiding the property of the parent one. Okay, so that concept we are saying as a method hiding. Static method can be overloaded. Please concentrate on this part because it is very important. It's frequently asked into the interview question. Can you overload the static method? Yes. Can you overwrite a static method? No. When you are trying to overwrite the static method, that concept that is not allowed. But when you are writing like that, so that part, what we can say it as a method hiding. So hope you are clear with that concept. So now let's try to run this example. This is my child test method hiding dot my display method. Okay, and another as a parent test method hiding dot display method. So we know that. Okay, let me change this from the display the message. So what it will become output? Yes, you are correct. So I am displaying a message from the child class and I am displaying the message from the parent class. Means via the child, I am calling my child static method. Via the parent class name, I am calling my parent display method. So both are calling to their respective method itself. Now, just a tricky question. Let me try to create child test method hiding. So okay, let me like this way. Okay, let me create the object of parent. Okay, equal to new, and like this, and then parent dot, I am printing the calling display message. So now let me know what output will become. Okay, it is a very tricky question. Okay, you need to be think about it. Okay, this display method, which is defined as a static. Okay, and when it is a static, means whatever the class name is containing that particular method, that method will get called. Means here you can see that the parent test method has a reference of parent, which is creating the object of child test method hiding or a child class. So, and trying to print the message. So what will be happen? It will print the parent display message, or it will call the parent display method. Okay, so here we need to be understand about that. Whenever we are doing the method overloading, when the method is not defined as a static, at that time we are doing the method over riding. Sorry, it's my bad. It's a method overriding. So over, in the case of method overriding, what we can say is a different name as a runtime polymorphism. But when the method is defined as a static, and similar method is defined at the like this way, so this is the example of compile time polymorphism, because the static reference or static method can be static method are accessed by using the class name rather than its object, right? So hope so try to run this one. Let me try to run. So here you can see that the third message, it is coming as a, I am displaying the message from the parent class. So hope you are clear with this method hiding example. If you have any question, you can just uh, put your query on the comment box. I will definitely come back on your question. So here in this session, what we learn, static method are accessed by using their class name rather than their object. Meta hiding is just a compile time polymorphism, and static method can be overload but cannot be override. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and in the next sessions I'm going to cover the variable hiding. So we, in this session we have learned about the method hiding. Now we will look on the variable hiding on the next session. Keep watching my YouTube channel. Thank you.